There's Dakota Fred.
Hey.
Long ride, ready to go to work?
Yep. Brian, you should have been here. He can't stop us now. We're going to straighten and paint the rat rod. Yep.
Oh no! We're missing part of the car.
Yeah, a little fiberglass. It'll be good as new.
What's that, about 2 foot of Bondo?
Yeah, at least that. Cardboard, Bondo, we'll be set.
You got the Checker Auto Bondo, right? we can't use the good stuff.
Yep. It's time to take that quarter panel off the wall, Todd. Is the wall going to fall down if we take that off?
I'm worried.
Yep, it's real.
Parts. I wonder where the parts are. Let's see. That wire brush. That wire brush has been here for a year and a few months, from what I understand. Screw well. See screws? Those screws are still holding a year and a half later. Oh look. Look at that. Zoom in. You can see the dust from where the screwdriver was laying. Yes. Oh, look. Dust from my arm. Right there. If we were to look at the garbage bags, we'd find receipts from 2 years ago. Nice rims. I hope there's tires on it. We'd hate to have to buy tires to take it out of here. Now look at that stripe. Is that from a different car, or is that the correct stripe? Now you got me wondering about the stripes, Jeff.
We're going to flame it. We're not doing stripes, remember?
Yeah.
We're
I forgot. You know what? He's actually done some work on that fenders. Those fenders.
Yeah.
That's going to help.
Oh, yeah. They're even jammed.
Well, Brian, if you haven't figured it out yet, you are being rednecked overhauled. Rednecked overhauled means no chip foose. We've got Jeff Foose. We're hoping to incorporate race foose in the design, and this is our lovely model AJ, or that's Chris, our host. But he'll be the host. He'll also be / Mr. Sander.
Oh, yeah.
I'm your resident host this time. So I guess I'm Chris. A little heavier. But, let's see. Got to do this because they do this in the show. I'm Chris Jacobs / Todd Jacobs, and you're about to be overhauled right here. Okay? No AJ, no Jessica. That's the new one. She's kind of sweet because it's just us, the bros, and whoever will show up to help. We were thinking of calling your elders quorum and seeing if they'd come do a little time on it, but we're afraid they'd send 50 people for 1 hour, so.
We'd have to feed them.
Yeah, and we'd have to feed them. Back around. Okay, so we got to take inventory first, and you know, Brian, Jeff and I have been talking about this a long time, and I think it's about to happen.
If you're not getting clear off the hook, we're gonna leave you a mess.
Yeah. Oh yeah, we're not. Redneck Overhaulin is we do whatever we can till we see you again. Okay. Bye bye.
So we know exactly what he was doing.
Well, Brian, pretty good. You did pretty good for us. You have precision marked where to cut your fender. Thank you for doing all this removal for me. I was a little worried how much I was going to have to do. And looks like your new inner fender is marked also. So you're all right. You're doing a good job. I wonder about your extra fender. You might have to practice that after your car's done. Because look at this, another accomplice. Look at this. Yeah, you might have to practice later. Maybe when we're done, you can just practice on your car. Okay, that's it for now. Day one, clamping it up. It's 2 o'clock in the morning. Just joking. We had breakfast. You said you had this fit up, Brian. And I want to know, what is that extra square? Huh? I didn't think you did inaccurate work. Well, I'll have to fix that. Okay, Brian, getting serious now. Todd's putting on the coveralls.
Yeah, we're gonna do a good job on this one. You did get some more baling wire, didn't you?
We need more duct tape, though. I used both rolls yesterday.
Fire up the oxyacetylene to do those fenders. I think I'll just braze it. You don't mind a little brazing on your car, do you?
Look, Brian, it's clean all the way around your car for the first time in 15 years. And there is accomplice. Dun, dun, dun. Oh, look, there's the rat rod. I don't know if you've got that registered, but we were thinking of taking that to Toffus Park today. So, me, Jeff, and Dakota. I don't know.
I think it is.
It is.
Also,
Yeah,
buddy,
but I'm pretty sure that
here is
I know.
evidence of JB Weld, and I want to know where you've been using that, because I know you're afraid to weld sometimes, but JB Weld is only in concealed spots. But you know what? Here you go. Just in case you're wondering, yes, we are welding. Yes.
Does that keep the whole part in there?
And
I'm just gonna use it.
a little pinching it up.
You need another fold-up page.
And we appreciate the opening up that for us. Thank you. See you in a little while. Okay, Brian, I know that you wouldn't appreciate it without some technical details. So, where your door gap wasn't quite right there, Jeff just sliced it, and we're going to weld that up, and you'll never know. Here's your seam put back together, not ground yet. Split it there too, so it would line up with that. How about that? That's why he's the master. Okay, Jason, this one's your fault. It's been raining all the time, and now it's hailing. It's hailing. And we're trying to work on a car. We gotta shut the door so we don't get the hood wet. Yeah. Wouldn't want to get that bare metal wet. Yeah, Brian, we just went scavenging in your backwoods behind the shed. Interesting. You could probably build another Chevelle back there. Okay, still on day one. If you can believe it. And check it out. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Wheel well is gone. Hope we can figure out what your markings were all about, but if not, we'll come close. I don't know what that says. Cut something side to a flange.
Two top flange.
To top flange. Cut something sides to top flange. Okay. Anyway, we're looking at your other one, so we'll figure it out. I'm thinking if it's a 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch off, no biggie. See you later. Sorry about the rat rod. Hope it survives the hailstorm. We might have to get some of those dents taken out. Don't worry, Jeff covered the back with plastic. We've had to dump it twice. Yeah, hell. Oh yeah. Coming down good now. Look at that. Yeah. Gotta have some braking today.
Another reason overhauling stays in California.
That's true.
Not there, so.
Here's Wendy. We're kind of taking a break. Still day one. You know what? You have a ton of water coming out of your air hose.
Air hose goes through a swimming pool somewhere.
So we've filtered that puppy up. So just another thing. Look at that. I don't know if you sprayed the inside of your side, but we sprayed the inside of our side. Still day one. Kind of crazy, huh? I'm about to weld on that inner fender now. That's some. Oh, look at all the body work in process.